Rush Mini Helmet Break number 5. February 4th. Good luck. Susan 2, Jeff 2, Andy 3, Eric Daniels, how many is that? 6? 6, Brandon 7, John Brown 10, Tobin 2. Alright guys, 5 times for 5 times. Here we go. Alright, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Eric Daniels, you're on top. Brandon Kaufman, you're on the bottom, 5 times. Okay. Pacer and column B. Okay. Group you guys together. Andy Williams, Browns,
Just a
Jack.
moment. Did you mean one of these? Mindy, Vegas Ticks, or...
What? Andy Williams, Browns, Jags, Dolphins. Brandon, Packers, Pats, Raiders, Steelers, Niners, Titans, Redskins. Eric Daniels, Cards, Bengals, Lions, Texans, Giants, Eagles. Jeff Britt, Broncos, Seahawks. John Brown, Ravens, Bills, Panthers, Bears, Cowboys, Rams, Vikings, Saints, Jets, Chargers. Susan, Falcons, Chiefs. Tobin, Colts, and Buccaneers. Randy, do you have a free spot? You have to buy 10 spots in one break. Yeah, you have a free spot right here from number 3. About 50 cents. Yeah. Wait, can I see the breaks again? Breaking habits. What do you mean, man? Let me see. Dahmer 6 is filled up 16 by 20. I got a premium jersey with 10 left. 10 left in the premium jersey. I got Playbook, Obsidian, Hockey Puck. TriStar jersey has 25 left. I got 10 left in a premium jersey. Alright, guys. What, Randy? I'll take that in Gold Rush Mini. Randy, that's not how it works. The free spots stay in the free spots. It's for a TriStar Mini. Once it's filled, it'll run once I get the mini helmets in. Good, Tanya. How are you? Niners for boys. All right, guys. We good to go? Is that it? Okay. Yep, I have Venmo. Alright, guys. Oh, you're good, Randy. Yeah, that once all those spots fill, that's one break. Those spots stay in there. KC for Vikings. John Brown. John Brown, you have the Vikings there. Brandon, you have the Packers, Pats, Raiders, Steelers, Niners, Titans, and Redskins. Cowboys for Niners. Alright, Cowboys for Niners. Obsidian. 31 spots left. Alright, guys, here we go. Gold Rush Mini. Good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Yeah, we did, Sam. We did one yesterday. That's why. So it's completely filled up, you know. All right, Buffalo Bills throwback. Who is that? Joe D. Joe Delamere. All right, very cool. WPP 7704-311 Hall of Fame 07. Buffalo Bills. Buffalo Bills. John Brown. Alright, John Brown, there you go, man. Buffalo Bills helmet. You got 10. Okay. Put you back in order here. Alright, John Brown, free spot for buying 10 or more. Here we go. 5 times for 5 times. See if anyone else is joining here. Once, twice. I said we just pulled one, I think. 4 times, 5 times. And Andy Williams, you free spot. You and John Brown. Number 5. Alright, very cool, guys. Gold Rush Mini. There you go, John Brown. Cool. Up next, guys, Donruss 6 football. Stay tuned. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Appreciate it. Have a good one.